My flashlight that I carry with me every day had some issues, so I decided to go with a new one. And based on reviews, I went with this one. They come in a couple of different colors. I went with the orange color. Pull it out of the box here. Got a user's manual. It's handy. It's a rechargeable one with USB-C. Comes with a cable. And then we have the light, and you can see it's even smaller than the box. And what I like about this one compared to my last one, since the last one was with a AAA battery, this one's actually smaller. So it has a keyring at the back here, some information tagged to it. We'll just pull that off. Then we've got the aluminum housing. There's a rubber boot over the USB charging port. And then I guess opposite that, there's another rubber button there. And that button lights up. You can have it as a walking light or a bright task light, and then there's 3 different settings. I like that it'll just have these different settings, and if I hold the button down, it turns off, and that's nice. Now it turns on and off to that setting. Very cool. So we'll go ahead and turn it back off. Yeah, you can keep it set to the task light setting by just turning it off from the task light. I'm really impressed with that. I'm looking forward to this. I like the size. It's almost a keychain size, and then it can recharge it when needed. That's why I bought it. Again, it comes in a couple of different colors. Hope this helps.